Darktable or Lightroom? Which one should you choose? Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to break down Darktable versus Lightroom. So let's get started. Darktable is a free open source photo editor and raw processor perfect for photographers who want a robust tool without spending a dime. It offers non-destructive editing, advanced color adjustments, and full raw file support. Its main advantages are its flexibility, cross-platform compatibility, and an active community of users. The downside is that it can be a bit intimidating for beginners and the interface may feel crowded or complex at first glance. On the other side, Adobe Lightroom is a professional-grade photo editor and organizer that comes with a subscription. It includes raw processing, cloud backup, pre-made presets, advanced color grading, and AI-powered tools to speed up your workflow. Lightroom shines in ease of use, a sleek, polished interface, and smooth integration within the Adobe ecosystem. However, it does come at a cost, and some features require other Adobe apps to get the full experience. Now let's put them head-to-head. Both Darktable and Lightroom provide powerful raw editing and non-destructive workflows. Darktable is ideal if you want a free, highly customizable solution and don't mind investing time to learn the interface. Lightroom, meanwhile, is tailored for those who value a refined, user-friendly experience with cloud storage and AI-assisted features. Beginners may find Lightroom easier to start with, whereas photographers who love tweaking settings and customizing workflows might lean towards Darktable. So while that was a short comparison between Darktable and Lightroom, so if you found this comparison helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.